We move now to a company that builds software and enlists a highly dedicated team to ensure that discrete software for corporations stays on point. We are joined by Aled Miles, CEO of Sauce Labs.
Thank you, Mark. It's great to be here. This is a super important topic of our time. If you think about it, the world relies on code.
Aled, there are so many software creators and corporate users with specific needs. How would you describe your company in this playing field?
Software runs so much of what we do, and our ability at Sauce Labs to ensure that that code works through a process of testing, both when it's being developed and when it's in production, is critical for many of the customers that we look after, from JP Morgan Chase, the world's biggest global bank, to Walmart, to Disney, to Salesforce, all of whom have a digital brand and an engagement with their customer that we wish to help them ensure works as much of the time as we possibly can.
From my research, Sauce Labs came from a pretty strong foundation.
For people who know the Selenium open source project, we were the founders. We've been in business for 12 years, and we were the #1 browser and continuous testing integration platform. And we've grown not just in the mobile, in the browser world, I should say, but also in the mobile world, as applications on phones and devices have become more and more prolific.
So those in the know would assume that Sauce Labs has had a front row seat during the digital transformation and shifting of mobile innovation?
Yeah, that's true. As I said, the growth of mobility, the devices that are consistently in the palm of our hands, have so many applications now that being able to test at scale gives us a front row seat. And we're at about 4.5 to 5 billion tests run in an automated and continuous fashion. So we really do get to see what's going on every day in the digital revolution.
This, no doubt, reflects upon revenue growth.
Indeed it does. If you take, for example, one of my favorite apps, which is using Uber on my phone, right? The convenience is extraordinary. Of course, what I like about Uber, what we all like about Uber, is the concept of frictionless exit. The fact that that happens is because of an app on my phone. I can call a car quickly, I can get it where I want it to be, and I can exit with my information safely and securely stored, get out of the car in seconds. Imagine the app failing. Imagine that app not being tested to the degree that Uber tests it, so it fails to work. The frustration, the inconvenience is extraordinary. And we've taken moments like that, and now we expect that experience in other industries. I want to be able to pay my check at a restaurant quickly. I want to be able to check in at a hotel digitally. We've got liquid expectations, and all of it adds even more weight to the digital experience. And if we get the digital experience wrong, it has a direct effect on revenue.
Aled, if you were to summarize the company's Sauce Labs and its advantages, what would it be?
We are platform, framework, and test strategy agnostic. In other words, whatever your test strategy is, you can bring it to our infrastructure environment. The fact that we have both infrastructure plus applications plus insights into the way that you test is different, because we therefore can provide you with all of the elements for test strategy that you need.
Aled Miles, CEO of Sauce Labs, thank you for sharing your look into the up and coming. If you would like to learn more, please go to saucelabs.com or log on to techimpact.tv.